Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Office Jong District Sports Officer Ribhoi District Rengkat kajang terelang bak Athletic Committee Jong ke Ribhoi District Sports Association Hagak sandrik uyayong arajar pausan Kedapan long gilempung ilakai district level inter-school athletic meet arajar pausan Keberlai Sngi Hamadan NSCA Paham Sim Ya kini gilempung ilakai sports la pilih perda du Block Development Officer Jong ke Umling CNRD Block Uba Eric Dekar Ubla long kumukong san Ringkat kejenan lang jong Presiden ke Ribhoi District Sports Association ba RB Shadam kumusembut kongsan U District Sports Officer jong ke Ribhoi District ba Bobby L Nongbet ki Principal jong ke Skul kini hikai baki kena Skul kidan kumba kendai spa iwengut ki kena shinrang bat kentai nakilai pun drul ki Skul ba per jong ke Ribhoi District kilai benta hakani ke lempung yelekai.
In 2024 last year we were placed third in the overall medal tally and also won the best athlete in the under 16 category for girls. We will be having the coaching camp immediately after the meet to prepare for the state level competition to be held in Shillong soon. I would also like to wish, first of all, and the most important athletes the best of the efforts in the next 3 days, and also there's a saying I've always believed: success is a journey, not a destination.
Ribhoi district has become one of the main centers for excellence in terms of sports because of the presence of officers like Bobby and his team. So I would like to request all of us to please give a big hand of applause to Bobby and his team. I would like to mention that being a sports person myself, I realize that it takes you to places and it helps to build perseverance, it helps to build integrity, and it helps to build discipline. So all the hard work that you have put in preparing for today's meet, and with the skill that the gods above have blessed you with, I'm sure that this will take you a long way in achieving not only the goal for today, but in achieving life's goals as a whole. Secondly, I would like to mention that all your hard work will pay off today, whether it's in winning or it's in defeat. But all this will teach you humility, and like I had mentioned, it will teach you discipline, and it will teach you how to get along without having so much of indiscipline. So this will help you achieve greater heights. So please remember that as academic excellence also is important, so is physical education, because it's not only the mind that has to grow, even the body has to grow along with the mind, and that will take you to different greater heights. So on that note, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very eventful and a very meaningful sports meet. And also remember that God has given you the skill, and today is your podium to showcase that. So make use of it, and always strive for the greater good. And with these few words, I would like to again one last time wish you all the very best, and God bless. And on that note, I would declare the District Sports Meet 2025 open.
All athletes, I promise that we should take part in this district level inter-school attitude meet 2025, respecting and abiding by the rule which govern them, committing yourself to a sport in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of God and honor of our school. Thank you.
Turkey will take part in the high jump. Under 18 years of age girls